Well, you know, this little New Wave oven is really nice. I liked it. But for some reason, the dome has cracked. Um, there's a very expensive, almost cost the same to buy a new one, maybe half price to buy a new one. You can get a replacement of dome, but if you can just live with the imperfection, which is, you can duct tape it with aluminum tape, not any other kind of tape, okay? So, and you probably can continue to use your little device. Here's the tape. You can get it from Lowe's and Home Depot, and you can duck all around it, and you can duck the broken pieces and put it back together, and maybe put a little bit inside as well, because it's aluminum, so it doesn't hurt. It's not like any other plastic things or glue type of things. When you heat it up, it will maybe have some chemical reactions, smells, but this will be perfect. There's no smell, no chemical harms to your food or your air. So that's just a little tip and advice to fix your broken New Wave dome. Okay, bye-bye.